As we've been able to redefine the Mazda Heritage Collection, we've been able to bring on a group in FLIS Performance that has allowed us to first and foremost restore the historic cars and then bring these to the racetrack to celebrate our heritage and to bring this to our race fans, our enthusiasts, and our owners group. Restoration is such an important piece. Just finding the right group that applies consistency, time, energy, resources into what it takes to get these cars up to speed.
So all these cars have had ground-up restorations. Most of the main components are still original. They've just been gone through and rebuilt. But most anything for these vehicles has to be handmade. If it's not on the car, there's not anything on the shelf out there. So we either have to have it manufactured by another contractor or supplier or build it ourselves in-house. Mazda came to us about a year ago and asked us if we would help not only restore the entire Heritage Collection, but also put the cars out on display statically and race them in multiple events. So when we received the cars, they were pretty rough all the way around, not only mechanically, but cosmetically. So to bring it up to our standard and also to Mazda's standard, we really want to have something that looks really good and people can appreciate the amount of work that have gone into these cars.
Mazda is a brand that's all about passion. It takes very passionate people to sell them and work on them. We constantly get the questions about, when are you bringing the rotary back? The cars just evoke all about the passion about the brand whenever it's these rotaries running around here.
For me, looking at something that's so different visually from an MX-5 Cup or a Miata to a rotary-powered RX-7, there's still so much connective tissue between those two cars.
I grew up as a very young kid watching these cars compete in IMSA and the 24 Hours of Daytona. Certainly the 91 GTO RX-7, it gives you chills just to hear it run.
How we like to carry ourselves is to move and be moved. To take those individuals to where they are today, to move them both emotionally and physically into a new era, a new lifestyle, a new opportunity. And that's who we are as a brand.